Ayun na nang sungkod.
Hindi, nasa na yan. Itaw na to. Malaki.
Kung ano yan.
Kaya nung Jimmy saya asan, David, iya nga na?
Ismael o Gigi. May hapon Gigi yan. Hapon.
Debdeng, may hapon, Jimmy.
Good afternoon.
Ay, magkakaroon sa English ako na ginaman.
Teka na din,
Ismael.
Smile.
Salamat.
Salamat, smile. Sana, wheelchair smile. Tukar. Tukar po. Kaplas. Hindi dala, hindi medyo nito sana. Kaning wheelchair. Ibalo ko. Kaya mo nigi kayo smile.
Ayaw, gila.
Gila, pagkal ko Gigi ka matabtan.
Thank you.
Kaya sama sa mga
Thank you sa
matambal.
Lord. Thank you sa Lord.
Yung tambal.
Taon.
Tambal.
Tubig kayo ng pabot. Sa wabaniya ko ano mo. Isatag ka na ko ay kuling kalimtan. Bayan ay never forget this. Throughout my life and especially the medicine that I've just received for my maintenance of my sickness. I'm very sickly. I'm very thankful. Smile once more. Only God even
Narungan sulpig, ha?
God, only God will repay you. And Jimmy, dahil thank you. Salamat dahil Jimmy. Karoon, sige sana nakuha ka ko sa video. Niya ako kanisingan at wheelchair. Salamat kayo din sa niya tao. Na pagganito yung una pag-sukod. Kagasa ko yun. Yung away sa'yo. Diyan, Jimmy. Yung rin yun. Away sa atin. Asi yun rin. Jimmy. Si yun rin.
Ma, pagkita itong kratsi.
Pawag ito.
Surya.
Salamat kayo, Jim. Thank you very much once more. I know before I have this one, now I'm because of my accident that which happened in this one. The brother of JB has given me this kind, but that is just used because I'm not in good condition. This one is very nice. Thank you once more. May God will repay you. We will see you soon and will will repay you. JB, I tell your husband is very good and very thankful once more. This is the big guy. This is the one that I was dreaming for almost 2 months or 3 months to 1 month, more than 1 month ago. But I've sacrificed it at last. I have now received enjoy now this kind of wheelchair, which is very important for me, that I can move.
Tungkol na po at tungkol ko dito.
Sila po tayo.
May tungkol na sige.
Jeb, once more, Jeb.
Bibi.
Aglang.
Salamat po.
Good afternoon, Chief. With Ismail. Thanks for all that you have given to us. Sila sa iyong papa. At mabuti ang kanimo. Naman akong pagpasalamat. Tubat. Sa manggong mo sa imong apungan. Especially your husband Ismail. He is very good to us with your mother, Susana. Wala si Rosana, imong mami, hindi mo daddy yun. Hindi kinibabot ka na ang imong panahon. Sa ilang gugma, ilang mahal, kung kanino, Jim. Nagkasalamat ang Ginoo na uban ka ninyo, o kanamo. Nag-aaris ka mo sa may panahon, bagang Ismail. Yan iya kami karon nagpasalamat ini ihatog gid taon kini still taon.
Smile, JB.
Yan ni sila ilang gid taon ni Ismail, we are here together with your grandfather. We wish you all the good health that you give us this wheelchair.
Very thankful.
And we're very thankful to you with your mommy Rosana because
At last,
your mommy Rosana is very good to us and helping us with your daddy, with you. Yeah, the big hug to us. So Ismail, Bill, thank you for that you help us in this event of life.
Thank you again.
You are very good to us and with your grandfather Roberto, so with your mommy and daddy Gideon. Now you give us the wheelchair and the cheese.
Thank you.
Thank you for all.
Medicine. Medicine.
Thank you for the medicine that you give to us.
Yeah, thank you again.
Thank you again and bye-bye.
debate. Now once more, David. God,
Ismail.
Ismail, very thankful only in God will see you. So, we want to work hard to us. I'm very thankful. I will not only for the end of my life. You were the husband of my grandchildren.
Daddy
Thank
Gideon.
you.
With the help of that young, helpful, very honestly, and very truly, he would serve with Rosana, would be the only son and daughter. He compare with other sister, brother of your Babay. Was more, very thankful, more power to you.